We're looking at volcano art and volcanoes.
We're quite enjoying this. They're teaching me things I've never learned before. This is the first time I've been able with the exercise like this. I think it's very good, it's very interesting.
I'm writing a story. I think once you got used to it, you'd be really good at it.
We're watching dancing.
It's what I done years ago, and it's interesting to watch. Very nice. Better than sitting in a ward.
Fun and exciting, and it's nice to learn other people if they don't know how to use it.
We've had a good laugh here and they thoroughly enjoyed it.
I've never used anything, see, I just sit and watch the telly. But it's nice to do something else.